Positive Day Delivers, this is Dr. Gigi Sunga from My Change Project. Magandang gabi sa lahat ng mga delivers natin. And sa first time po tayo mapapanood sa YouTube channel, thank you very much. Please subscribe, click mo na po yan, Dr. Gigi Sunga. Okay, so how to start building your wealth? It's not how to start increasing your income. It's not about that. And it's not about how to start increasing your money, monthly or yearly. So it's not about that. It's about building your wealth. Because for me, wealth is, more important than money. Though, of course, wealth is composed of money. But when you say wealth kasi, it lasts, a long term, and it keeps on giving you money. That's wealth for me. Okay? So, yung money kasi, pag nawala, wala na. Or nandyan yung pera, yun lang siya. Pero yung wealth, okay, once you have wealth, so you will have, okay, more money. So, in the long run, siya magbibigay sa inyo ng money. So, how to start building your wealth, especially if you are already 40 years old. Okay? So, sa lahat ng mga 40 years old, how to start building your wealth. Okay? So, at 40, dapat medyo iba ka na, di ba? Kumbaga, angat ka na sa iba in terms of finances, in terms of income, in terms of wealth. Alright? So, paano ba yan? So, I listed 4 things sa mga 40 years old, how to start building your wealth. Okay? So, but before that, announcement tayo. Sa Hong Kong tayo, November 18. So, please, mag-send na po kayo ng receiver nyo sa akin ng payment. You can send your registration fee sa Cebuana for only 150 Hong Kong dollars. Okay? And if you want to advertise your business, pwede nyo po akong i-text, tawagan, 0939-5254311 or sa aking FB page, Dr. Gigi Sunga, FB account, Gigi Sunga. And if you need career coach, yan. So, pwede po tayong mag-usap online or pwede tayong magkita. Okay, by the way, yung po palang uwi ng Sabado, paki-confirm po yung oras natin. So, meron darating sa Sabado, magkita tayo. Diba? Sa SM. SM North. So, paki-confirm po. Tawagan nyo po ako. Okay. So, how to start building your wealth at age 40? Ulitin natin. It's not about increasing your money, but building your wealth. You have to build your wealth because this wealth will give you more money. Alright? As simple as that. Okay. Number 1, at age 40, okay, or kahit hindi 40, you have to develop multiple source of income. Okay? So, dapat, ayan na yung target mo. Yung, dapat marami kang pinagkukuha ng pera. It's more than one. Okay? Yung buhay ko po, nabago siya when I started, developing more than 2 sources of income. So, medyo nagkaroon tayo ng financial freedom. Do ayaw ng iba dyan. Financial independence. Kung ano may tawag mo dyan. Mas nakatulong tayo sa family. Marami tayong natutulungan, nag-a-add siya sa happiness natin. Marami nagsasabi, money can't buy you happiness. Para sa akin, money can add to your happiness. Okay? Kasi you can do yung gusto mong gawin, di ba? So, pwede kang, kung nakapagpasaya sa'yo mamasyal at kailangan mo ng pera, madagdagan ng kaligayahan mo, di ba? So, you need to develop multiple sources of income because it's more than that. It's beyond that. If you will develop different sources of income, okay, eventually, you will realize na meron kang madidiscover na, ito pala, pwede niya akong bigyan ng income permanently. So, you just have to test, di ba? Ginamit ko na pong illustration, para may sibol yan, di ba? Titignan mo alin yung nagbibigay sa'yo ng water. Diba? So, when you develop multiple sources of income, you are exploring kung saan ka mas dadami yung income mo and you will start building your income or your wealth. So, like for example, in my case, I'm a full-time principal. That's one source of income. Then, I started, 2 years ago, actually 3 years ago, I started building different sources of income. So, from there, nag-speaker po ako. Okay? So, that nagbigay siya sa akin ng additional income. Then, I wrote a book. So, nagbibigay rin siya ng income sa atin. Nagkaroon tayo ng small business, mga t-shirts. So, nagbibigay din ng income. And my YouTube channel. Actually, my YouTube channel, ang discovery ko dyan, napakadami niya nagawa. And I think it helps me to build my wealth. Kasi ang dami niya palang pwedeng gawin from my YouTube channel. So I can advertise business, I can do career coaching. This is my platform. Okay, this is my platform to help people, and this is my platform to extend my services to other people. At umaabot tayo sa iba't ibang bansa, mga OFW sa iba't ibang bahagi ng mundo. Okay? So start building your wealth, develop multiple sources of income. Sa lahat na may trabaho, di ba minsan pag nagkatrabaho ka, natatapos na, hindi, isipin mo ba, paano ko ba madadagdagan to? Kasi pag nadagdagan niya, na-discover mo ano pa yung kaya mong gawin, di ba? At ano mabibigay sa inyo yan? Marami. Minsan hindi na sa finances, mga fulfillment. Alam nyo, pagkausap ko po yung mga OFW, like kagabi may tumawag sa akin, she was crying. She was crying, sabi niya, nagkaroon siya ng chance. And there was a 67 years old, by the way, susunod ko pong vlog yan, na nagpapasalamat. Marami nagpapasalamat. So, I developed that, so it's beyond the money, it's more than that. And it's a long term. So, you start building your wealth, develop multiple sources of income. Alright? Second, you have to enhance your, ito parang lesson plan lang to so, enhance your knowledge, skills, and attitude. Alright? So, to start building your wealth, okay, increase your knowledge, enhance your knowledge. Ano ba alam mo ngayon? Dagdagan mo yan. Diba? Increase that knowledge na meron ka. Ano skill meron ka? One skill, dagdagan mo at least 3. Diba? So, from that different skills, you can build your wealth. Diba? Ang dami mong, even knowledge, pag, alam mo yung, sabi nga natin, knowledge is power. I think it's Francis Bacon ba nagsabi niyan? Kahit si Ernie Baron, di ba? Knowledge is power. Because if you have knowledge, meron kang capacity to do things na hindi mo pa nagagawa. Right? And of course, don't forget yung attitude natin. Mindset. Di ba? So you have to enhance your attitude. Igawin mo siya sa positive. Igawin mo siya sa magandang bagay. Ano mo siya, iruta mo siya sa positive things, sa mga possibilities, sa mga opportunities. Kanina, pauwi ako, sinakay ko na yung coordinator namin. Nagkukwentuhan kami sa kotse. Kasi napag-usapan namin na masarap dito sa Bataan kasi safe, something like that. So sabi ko na lang, okay, safe naman tayo dito sa Bataan, kaya lang mas maraming opportunity sa city. Pero sabi ko, don't worry. Because kung wala kang makita opportunity dito, enough. Maraming dito opportunity. Pero kung tingin mo, it's not enough. Okay? You can create your own opportunity. Have that attitude na kaya mong mag-create ng opportunity. Diba? May nakita kang problem, sabi ni Jack Ma, if you see problems, that's an opportunity. Diba? Nagkakagulo yung mga tao, may mga problema. These are opportunities. Mga opportunity yan na pwede kang mag-solve ng problem nila. Diba? Okay? So, ayan. Next ay, how to develop multiple sources of income. So, buy real estate. So, eto na tayo ngayon. Dito na tayo sa real estate. Alam nyo, dito yung mama si Grant Cardone. Buying lot, even Ty Lopez, di ba? So, try natin. Simulan natin. Ako, I'm starting it. Meron tayong maliit. Sabi ko, may senior ko sa inyo, may maliit akong lupa na nabili na marami akong gustong gawin doon. Pwede ko siyang gawing business site ngayon. Marami. Bukod doon sa first option, of course, pataasin lang natin ang value, pabakuran mo lang, pahalamanan, paayos, palinis, so tataas ng value niyan di ba? Second naman, pwede mong gawing apartment, di ba? Tapos ibenta mo apartment, mas mataas ang value, mamumunan ka. And pwede siyang lugar ng isang negosyo. So may mga naisip akong business like paggawa ng mga basahan, siguro doon natin gagawin, o magtanim, o mag-alaga ng baboy ng marami. So, start buying real estate, okay? To build your wealth. Kasi yan, hindi yan mauubos. Hindi mo pang mall, hindi mo pang shopping. Unlike kung pera yan, naku, madali maubos ang pera. Pero dahil property yan, hindi mo basta-basta maubos yan. Alright? And, ikaapat na dapat mong gawin to start your own business is, yan, to build your wealth is start your small business. Magsimula ka lang sa maliliit muna. hanggang sa lumaki. Like for example, this one. Pakita ko lang po sa inyo, itong aking t-shirt and hoodie. Ganito po. Simple lang po yan, Simple siya nakikita nyo ngayon. Pero, meron ako malaking plan dyan. So, I want to have it, parang ipapasadya na natin, hindi lang yung tatak, pati yung klase ng t-shirt, yung texture na gusto ko. Naghanap lang tayo ng isang pwedeng tumulong sa atin. So, it's a small business, pero meron akong malaking pangarap. Diba? It's a small business ngayon na konti lang order. Let's say, weekly, siguro naka-isang pack lang tayo or 2 pack. Pero, sa akin, meron akong malaking target yan. So, I'm praying na makakita ako ng isang clothing company t-shirt na gagawa ng style na gusto natin. Okay? So, kasi pag nag-boom yung small business na yan, that's the start of building your wealth. Ang dami kong nabasa ng mga istorya ng mga nagpa-franchise. Hindi naman nila una naisip na maging millionaire out of that di ba? Gusto lang nila magkaroon ng small business. And that small business eventually lead to building their wealth. Alright? So, delivers ayan ang 4 ways on how to start building your wealth. Alright? So, please share this video sa lahat ng mga kaibigan natin, kamag-anak natin, para sama-sama tayong mabago at munlad ang ating buhay. Alright, so thank you very much, Delivers. Enjoy the rest of the day and let's go, let's go!